Okay guys, so today we're going to be curving the brim on this San Diego Padres snapback that I have here. The first step that we want to do is go ahead and assemble our products, which would be a mug or coffee cup and a steamer. Next step, we have to cut on our steamer, allow it to warm up and start putting out some steam. Step 3, we're going to run the front and back side of the brim across this steam for 5 seconds on each side. All right, so after doing that, we're going to, fold the brim into a rounded shape and place it into our cup or mug, and we're going to let it sit in there for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we remove the hat from the mug or cup and, just slightly remove the curves so that we can get it to the desired look that we're looking for. And just like that, I've showed you how to perfectly curve your snapback hat in less than 2 minutes. Attitude is a little thing that makes a big difference. It's been your boy, PAiRANORMAL. See you guys next time. Peace.